what happens when we're trying to do one for basically a waiting customer.
This is a very, very high flow special cat.
100%.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a BMW X4 M40i, a B58 car. It's here for a downpipe. So this is right now full factory stock exhaust, and he's going with a VRSF downpipe for some extra horsepower. It is already tuned with MHD, so it'll be stage 2 now and get about an extra 90 horsepower. So cool. So we got the O2s unplugged.
Yep. This is a pretty simple install even for you guys at home. If you can get underneath it, you can do this in your driveway, garage, etc., etc. O2 sensor is real simple. Pull a beauty cover off, get you a pick. I like using one that's slightly bent so I can get in behind it, pull a tab out of the way. Then other than that, this is obviously really, really hot, so I'm trying not to burn myself, but customer's also, he's not going to be around forever and it's middle of the day, so we're just going to knock it out. You have a bolt here, a bolt right here, and then one up at the top for the V-band itself, and you have 2 right here. And basically that's all you have to pull out on this setup. The exhaust itself can just slide backwards enough to get off the downpipe, and you can wiggle it out of the way. So I'm going to grab some thicker gloves and some tools, and we'll start popping this loose. 13mm for the bracket in this clamp. And I think those are as well, if I remember right. I just gotta grab some baubles and stuff so I can get to it. Yeah, just basic hand tools, pry bar just to pop the clamp loose, and then once you get this one off the studs, it comes right off. Just don't be in a hurry like this and do it when it's hot. If yours is wore out, if it's an older model or something with a lot of miles on it, then get you a new one. But if it's in great shape and comes right out like this one did, you're fine to reuse it.
Do not forget this.
Yeah.
You'll be very unhappy.
So now your downpipe is officially in the car, and you just tuck your O2 wires. Ignore our dog.
Grew out of nowhere.
Hey,
Oh,
filming here.
snap on.
Every time. Snap on truck, pisses the dog off, ruins filming. That's okay.
That's all she barks at now is Snap on.
That's it. It's the only truck. So stay away from the Snap-on truck, apparently. Dog hates it. Alright, so once you get the car back on the ground, you can reach in and grab your O2 sensor wires, pull them back up so that you can clip them back into place. The tab that I mentioned having the pick for is right here. You'll slide that out of the way. Let me see that pick actually. So my big thumb's not. So this will slide like that, and then that pulls forward that way. In reverse, you don't have to do anything, just clip it on. You'll hear it slide back into place.
What is this Cloud 9?
Pull that into there like so. So front one. And don't touch that, it's hot. And then the first one on the rear O2 sensor, and then the other one is in this corner. See if we can get zoomed in. So right where it goes over the bend, you can see it. Put your cover back on. This is tore off. Flash your tune, BM3, MHD, whatever your preference is, and you're done. I didn't see that. You can flash this too.
Pretty loud.
Is it?
Yeah.
Sounds good in here.
Yeah, sounds good.
So the magic question is, are you going to do it to yours?
Oh, I don't know. Ooh. What do you guys think? You think it sounds good? Too loud? Let us know in the comments below. Should I do this to the X3? Yeah, let me know.